Draft FCB Ulka Advertising Private Limited over the years has handled some of the best clients like Bombay Dyeing, like Hindustan Ciba Ghee, like SEAT, etc., etc. And later on, clients like Tata Motors, TCS, Wipro, ITC, Amul, some of the best names across categories.
What we really enjoy doing is getting into the basic fundamental truths behind what builds strong brands, and then working through with clients on building strong brands which build long-term brand equity for the client. So this would mean probably visiting plants, spending time in the field, talking to consumers. All this we do, and we enjoy doing this.
We help make our clients' brands famous by rooting them in strong insights and then creatively exploding the potential of that insight into ways that engage the consumer in many, many different ways.
We work on every aspect of the client's business to make a positive impact on the client's balance sheet. And this is what has resulted in enduring partnership with a lot of our key clients.
An environment which is free of politics, where people can work without the fear of failure, where people have enough opportunities, where they are empowered very early in life, where they are doing jobs 2 levels higher, where they can learn and grow. Ultimately, it is about providing a career and not just another job.
We offer services across the spectrum of the advertising and communication needs, whether it is digital, it's shopper activation, PR, digital, media buying and planning, etc., etc. More recently, we have also got into analytics.
The fact that there are more than 53 brands that count as leaders in their own category is just a testimony to the fact that there is a lot of personal dedication that is given by everyone in the team, right from people who run the business on an everyday basis to people who create the strategies and craft the creative.
The future is going to be when clients are going to demand a lot more of IMC or integrated marketing communications, and I don't think of too many groups which will be poised to deliver. So it's going to be exciting times for us. As the market fragments, we will be there to take on greater responsibilities from our clients.
Values like a value of entrepreneurship, values of all for one, one for all, of team spirit, values of no prima donnas. Now these values really became what the leadership philosophy of the agency was all about.
In one word, if you look at all the advertising that we have created over the last 50 years, there has always been a bedrock or an underpinning of good strategy, of percepts or concepts that make that advertising great, and concepts that have made these brands into some of the biggest brands in the country. Strategy is the fundamental or the key to great advertising. Thank you.